Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make organizational chart in Canva. Now once you're actually logged in, on the home page you can just click on templates and just search for organizational chart and hit enter. You'll see a lot of them are right here that you can go ahead and click and literally edit. It will save you a lot of time. Most of these are very professional. So just see the one that suits your needs. By the way, some of them are pro. So if you hover over them and you see this pro icon, that means you'll need the pro license to use them. So let's go ahead and edit this one, for example. So you just click on it and then you click on customize this template. It's literally all you have to do, and then you'll be able to edit the elements on this template right here. So it's loaded up. And now I'll go ahead and zoom in so I can use this slider, or you can use your mouse as well. And now you can literally change the name, for example. So CEO, we can change this to Pioneer Legend. Okay. If you want to copy an entire element, you can do that as well. So there we go. I'll do Control C and then we can paste it, right? You can add your whole other element somewhere else, for example, as you can see right here, and just keep editing it. You can change the title. And once you're done, you can just come to the top right, click on share, click on download, and then you can either save this as a PNG or even as a PDF. All you need to do is click on download and you're done. Okay? It's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.